In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the incoming call gestures for your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. Now, say for example, you have a phone calls coming through and you want to say decline the call. All you need to do is simply go ahead and find the sensor or the handle right here on the bud, and you want to pinch and hold on it like so. And as you do so, the call should be declined. So again, pinch and hold, and as you can see there, the call has been successfully declined. But say for example, again, you have a phone call coming through and you want to answer it, all you need to do is simply do a small pinch like so, and the call should be answered. If you want to end the call, again, just do the same thing you would do when you're declining it, pinch and hold, and the call should be automatically ended. Bear in mind, you do need to ensure that you are still within the sensor range, pinch and hold, and the call will be ended. Thanks for watching. If you have any more questions or comments, feel free to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.